Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the resolution of a project in Adobe Premiere Pro. Suppose you need to change the resolution or dimensions of a project you've already started in Premiere Pro. Okay, so here I have my demo project open in Premiere Pro. The aspect ratio of this is 16:9, but let's say I need to change it to fit an Instagram story or a TikTok. Instead of starting over and creating a whole new sequence, we can go into the sequence settings of this project and simply change the resolution. To do this, go up to Sequence and choose Sequence Settings. This will bring up the Sequence Settings window, which has all the settings for your current project. The setting we need to change is the frame size. As you can see, I currently have 1920 by 1080. This size will differ depending on your project, but the process is the same for all. To make this fit an Instagram story or a TikTok, we need to change the horizontal to 1080 and the vertical to 1920. Remember that whatever your video size is, you need to change it to 1080 by 1920. That's the only value we need to change for this example. Once you've done this, click OK. You'll get a small warning window, just click OK on that. Now, as you can see in the program window, the resolution has completely changed. By doing this, you may need to slightly adjust your clips. The subject of your clip might not line up perfectly like mine, but you can fix this in the effect controls. Let me show you how. For example, you can't see the main subject clearly, so go to the effect controls and expand the FX Motion tab. Now I'll increase the scale so that the main subject is visible perfectly. You can increase the values by pressing the up arrow key on your keyboard. Let's go to the second clip. Here, we need to zoom in and position the subject correctly. We will zoom it by increasing the scale just like before. Now, reduce the first position value to bring the clip to the right, and if you need to show the left side, then increase it. If you need to move the clip up or down, you can do that by increasing or decreasing the second position value. Let's play the video. Now we have all our clips lined up, perfectly sized for an Instagram story or TikTok. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides, and if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be really appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.